Foundation kod Faraja Cancer Support Trust oriwore mar gero kar thieth mageto jotuo mag kansa e kar thieth ma Coast General Mombasa. Kar thieth no mabiro muonyo omenda maromo $63.2 geto duoko chien kwan mathoth mag jotuo kansa mosebedo ka wito ngimagi kaluwore kod onge mar thieth malong'o kaachiel kod neno nengo mamalo mar thieth mar kansa. Apisa mawuok Safaricom Foundation Celestine Munda koni medruok mar jotuo kansa matimo limbe kar thieth no ma Coast General bende en achiel kuom gigo momiyo gikawo okang' mar gero kar thieth manyien no.
The Faraja Therapy Center responds to a real and pressing challenge because too many cancer patients still struggle to access comprehensive care. So, as M-Pesa Foundation, beyond our work on our health pillar, which is around maternal and child health care, we have chosen to support this initiative, which is to support the efforts to ease the strain that cancer places on individuals, families, and communities.
We offer, as you've heard, we offer services such as counseling, nutritional support. We organize support group meetings and offer other complementary services. We also provide financial assistance to people who cannot afford treatment.
Sasa hivi Kenya ni katika lile janga ambalo kwamba ni janga la kitaifa. Na katika janga hili watu wengi wakipata maradhi ya saratani hawana pahali ama mwelekeo watafanya vipi, wataanza vipi. Kwa hivyo kwanza kuwashukuru nyinyi ambao kwamba ni the Cancer Support Group, kwa sababu ni kipaumbele munazungumza na wale wagonjwa na kuwapatia matumaini bora ya kuwa hii si alama ya kifo bali ni mitihani ambao kwamba ni mitihani munaweza kuyavuka.